Hello students, welcome to Information Technology online class. I am Suguna from Good Samaritan School. Today we are going to start part 2 of Unit 1 Digital Documentation at advanced level, and in this part we are going to learn about inserting images and changing their properties. So basically your topics for today are insert an image to a document from various resources and many others. First, let us see what are the different ways to insert picture in our document. Student, this is your OpenOffice Writer window. Now, if you want to insert picture, first you have to click Insert tab and then choose Picture option and click this arrow mark. Here, two options will be displayed. One is file, another one is the scan. So, first you have to choose the From File option. After clicking the From File option, you have to check the place where your picture there in your computer. Here I have a picture in the picture folder. So we are going to insert the picture. First click the picture and then click the open option. So now you can see this picture has appeared to a document, and the green color or picture handle. Using this picture handle, you can resize your picture big or small as per your requirement, like this. So this is known as resizing the picture. So now you can see as soon as the picture has appeared, one of this tool has also appeared. This is called modification toolbar. It has different options. If it is not visible to you, then go to the View tab. Suppose this tab is not visible to you. How can you open this tab? Go to the View tab and choose the Toolbar option and then choose the Picture option. So these are the different effects. Let us understand how this effects works. First is From File. From File option says that if you want to replace any other picture in place of this picture, click this option and click the place where you choose the where there is picture in your computer. Suppose I selected this picture and click OK option. So now new picture replace the old picture. So first picture deleted and the new picture is inserted. And then let us see different properties of the picture. See, the first one is the invert option. The invert, this option change the color of a picture. See here. First is the invert option. It change the color of your picture. See this, like this. Next option is the smooth. It adjusts the side of the picture. It becomes smooth. And the next is the sharpen. It adjusts the side will be sharpened. And the next is remove noise. Here in this tool. Next is noise. If any single pixel in your picture, it will remove. And then here you can give another one option is the solarization. Here you have to give a threshold value. You can invert also possible here. See here you have to give the threshold value. You can increase or decrease also possible here. See this in the preview window, we can see this one, how the picture is changing here. See here. And then click the OK option. See this picture. So again I change the picture into the original shape, then only you can understand all the changes. This is my original picture. Next option is aging. It will give some effect on your picture. Here you have to aging degree. You can increase and decrease also possible. Based on the increasing and decrease, your picture, the effect will be changed. Here also you can preview how your picture changing now and click the OK option. Let us see changes in our picture, and then undo my picture. Again see the next two option, posterize. Posterize. So this also you can increase and decrease the value. If you want to show the posture, you can use this one. See here. And the next you have pop art. Next you have pop art. See here how your picture changing now. And the next is here. I'm changing my picture into the original shape. And the next is the charcoal sketch. See this picture. And the next is the relief effect. It adjusts the light source. See here, how can you adjust this? See here, you can adjust the light source like this. Like this, you can change this effect. Click the OK option. See your picture now. Again, I undo my picture. And the last, we have the option mosaic. Here, increasing and decreasing the value of pixel for the height and width. See here. Like this, you can change the picture. If you give more value, that means your picture will be blurred. See here, if I am giving more value, that's why the picture will be blurred. And the next option is the default. So whatever color is given, the picture color also changed like this. First one is the grayscale. See this word picture. And the second is the black and white. And the third is the watermark. It will appear in the background of your document. And the next option is a color. Using this, you can give brightness or red, blue or green colors. You can increase this or decreasing this color. According to this value, your color will be changed in your picture. See here. See here. So using this option, you can give brightness or red, green color. Based on the increase and decreasing value, the color will be changed in the picture. This way you can make changes. And then again undo my picture. See here. Next one is transparency. You can increase and decrease the value of transparency. See here. So the picture will be changing. And this students, next option is flip horizontally. See for example, here is the dynamic word written from left to right. So this option, flip horizontally, change the left side word will come from right side and the right side will come left side. Suppose I am clicking this option, see this one, This is Dairy Milk word. So now it's displayed from right to left. So if I'm clicking here, this direction will be changed. So this is the original picture. And the next is the flip vertically. It means the picture will change in up and down position. See here, upside will come down and the downside it will come up. Okay, okay, understood this one? Okay, this way you can modify any picture. These are the properties of the picture. Student, next you can crop our picture. Crop means cut part of the particular part of the image. If you want to crop your image, first you have to right click our picture and here you got to choose the picture option. Then you will see here dialog box. Here different options to perform. Each have different options to perform. I want to crop the picture, so I am choosing this crop option. Here two option will be displayed. One is the keep scale, another one is the keep image size. First I explain keep scale. Here in the keep scale you can increase and decrease the value of the left or right. It has a four option: left, right, and then top, and then bottom also. You can increase and then decreasing value also possible. See here, the value will be increased. See in the right side, one rectangular box will be appear on the picture. If you press OK button, the rectangular part only visible to you. The remaining part will be deleted. See here. See here. The rectangular part only visible to you. So this is the crop. Our picture size will be reduced. Again, next option going to explain keep image size. I'm changing the picture into the original shape. I press the Ctrl Z for undo. So again, right click and choose the picture option. Now I'm changing the keep image size. Here also is the four option: left, right, top and bottom. See here, I'm increasing the value: left, right, top and bottom. See here, after increasing, see here, one box will be appear on this picture. Inside the part only display, remaining part will be deleted. Click the OK option. Now see the picture. See here, inside the part only display, remaining part will be deleted. Now see the what is the difference between keep scale and keep image. In keep scale, reduce the size of your picture. In keep image option, increase the size. This is not the small one. In both doing the option crop, but little different. And the next, if you want to add more picture from your computer, you can add in the shortcut manner. See, I'm specifying the original size now. See the side of the screen. See here is a gallery option will be. See here this is a different option will be here. This is the gallery option. As soon as you click on the gallery icon, a box will be displayed which will appear, which will shows the many themes. If you choose themes, bottom of this option, see here, I suppose I want the arrow mark here or some other symbols you want. You can choose it. See here, so many themes are there. How can you insert this one? Right click and click the insert option and then choose the copy option. See here. So in this situation, the old picture will be disappear. So you have to move the cursor to the next page and then click the copy option. Otherwise, the old picture will be deleted. See here. Move a cursor to the next page. See here. Move the cursor to the next page and then click the copy option. See here. The picture will be appear here. So if you want this picture in the first page, means you have to resize the picture. The size will be reduced now. Both the picture display in the same page. See here, suppose you want this picture in the first page, means you got to reduce the size of the picture. See here, You can move it here. See, both the picture display in the same page. See, this is the second way you can insert the picture. First way, how can you insert the picture? Using the insert menu, choose the picture option and click the from file option. And then another one way, you can apply the theme in your picture. This is also one kind of picture. So using this gallery option, you can insert the picture. And the third way, you can insert the picture. Go to the insert tab, choose the picture option here and then choose the scan option. In this option, you can use, if you insert any scanner in your computer, if you click select source option, a dialog box will be appear. It shows the picture in your scanner. Now I am not attaching any scanner in my computer. So if you click select source option, a dialog box it shows the picture of in the scanner. You have to choose the picture and then click the select option. The picture will be displayed on your document. Students, now you learn 3 ways to insert a picture. One is using the insert tab and click the picture option. Choose the from file is the one way you got to insert the file picture, and another one way to attach any scanner in your computer, you can use the scan option. And third way, you got to use the gallery. You can insert the picture. Suppose I want to delete my picture. And next is how to delete the picture. First you got to select the picture and then press the delete option from your keyboard. See here, I select this picture and then click the delete option. So now see, the picture will be deleted. See here, select this picture and then click the delete option. You learn now how to insert an image to your document from various sources. And then modify means how to change the picture properties. And the resize means you learn how change the picture size big or small. And the crop means how can you delete the particular part of the picture. And the delete means you learn how to delete your picture from a document. The next point we are going to see create drawing object. This is same like inserting shapes in the MS Word. Let us see how to insert shapes in OpenOffice Writer. You can choose the drawing toolbar option from the tool menu. Toolbar. So click the toolbar option and click the drawing. Most of the time it's visible at the bottom of the screen. If it is not, you can choose the toolbar option from View tab. See, this is the drawing toolbar. It's contain different tools. It will display more shapes. See here, different shapes it will display. Suppose I am choosing this smiley face symbol. Click it and then drag. See here, when we are using this drawing option, it will show the different formatting tool is totally different from picture formatting tool. See here, when you are I'm choosing this drawing toolbar. See here, different drawing properties option will be displayed. It will show a different formatting tool. It's totally different from picture formatting tool. This is the drawing object formatting tool. First option here, first option is a arrow. This is the arrow style. See here it will showing different arrowheads. You can change the arrows in your drawing. Suppose I want to change this line, I want to change. See here, choose this different arrow mark style. See here, the arrow will be changed now. So next you can choose the different outline style also. See here, this one is the outline style. See here, dash, dot, some most different style will be displayed. See here, the outline style will be changed. See here. And the next is the thickness of the outline. See here, to increase the line. See here. You can change the thickness also possible. Increasing based on the increasing value, the drawing outline changed as thick or thin. And the next is the outline color. Here, outline color. You can choose the different color here. See, this is the. So now you can change the outline color of your drawing. And the next is the paint bucket. It is the fill color. It has some types. See here, if it's a none means don't want any color. And then color option is the so only the outline color only display. See here you can choose the color option. Here you can give the color of a picture. See here, so different color I am choosing here. I am choosing black as here. So the background color also is changed. The color option will display only the color option display only the color only. And the next is the next option is the gradient. Next option is the gradient. It means double color. It will coming in the right side box. See here. It will coming the double color shade will be coming. See here. See your picture. It will come. Gradient means it display the double color. And the next one is the font work gallery. Is same like a word art gallery in MS Word. You display the different beautiful work which make a attractive document. Choose the font style. Suppose I want this font style. Choose the font style and then click the OK option. So suppose you want to write any text in the border. At the center you have to double click. See here, one word coming now here, font word. You got to delete that one and then you have to type your own text and then press the enter key. If you want to type more content here, you can press the enter key. See here, and then see here. So now the word art style will be displayed. So this is the way you can set the beautiful work in your document. Students, next topic is positioning the image with the text. For example, see in this screen, if you are displaying any text here, the text will be displayed like this only, top and bottom of a picture. So let us see how can you positioning the image with the text. First, you got to select the picture now. If you are selecting the picture toolbar box will be appear at the top. See here, this is the picture toolbar option. This option you already learned this one, that is heading and the size. I already explained in the styles and formatting toolbar. First, now I am going to change the position of the image with the text. So first one is the wrap-up. Wrap-up is just a normal way as a display like this only. At the top and bottom of the picture, the text will be displayed like this. This is the wrap off option. See here, top and bottom of the picture, the text will be displayed. And the next one is the see here, this is the page bar. Page bar means it will display the text at the top, bottom, left and right of the picture. Four sides of the text will be displayed. See this one, see here, the picture will be displayed like this. If you are specify the more text, the text will be appear at the bottom of the screen also. And the next is the suppose you want to you don't want to this type of wrap element. If you want to the previous style you want means you got to click the again wrap up. So see the text will be appear top and the picture. And the next option is the wrap through. See here, in this option display the text. Text will be the above the picture. See here above the picture the text will be displayed. And the next three option is the alignment option. See this one is align the picture at the left side and this is the center and then this is the right side. See that these also different types of style option. This is the align left, align center horizontally, and then align right, and this is the top, and then center, and then bottom. So these are the, this way you can change the picture position. And then next is the, how can you set the border of your picture? This is my picture. How can you set the border? See this. Click the border option. These are the different border style. See here, this is the border style. You can set the border line style also possible. See here, this two way only I set the border. Only top and border only I set the border. See here. So this is my picture. You see this one. See, only top and bottom only border appear. You can set the border color also possible. See, I am choosing the red color here. You can set the border color also possible. You can set the background color also possible. This is the bucket tool. Using this one, you can set the border color also possible. Sorry, background color also possible. See here, the background color also possible. This is the way you can change the picture. Students, you have to learn all these options. How to set the images, how can you change the prepare properties, how can you set the drawings, how can you change the drawing properties, and how can you positioning the text with the image. Practice all this one. We will remaining topics we will learn on the next class. Thank you.